Hello everyone, welcome to Strive, and in this video we are going to talk about Bitcoin. We are going to talk about the crypto market, what is happening right now and what might happen in the future. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time. So today let's first focus on the Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing. Let's put some support and resistance, put some moving averages here, and let's see what we can expect from the market in the next coming few months. Okay, so as you can clearly see, we have a very strong support region around $18,000. Okay, right around here, and Bitcoin is basically respecting the support level from the month of June, you can say, right? And then we have a very strong resistance level around 25k. Okay, so right now Bitcoin is moving sideways. Okay, as you can clearly see here. And what I predict is basically we might see a touch till 25, and then if we have a very good volume, if people are supporting or buying again and again, then we might see a breakout from 25. Okay, and then see, this resistance has to act as a support, and then only we will become confident that okay, Bitcoin will start continue to moving in the upward direction. If not, then of course we can get a rejection from 25, and then again the market can go down till $18,000. Okay, and last possible case, if Bitcoin is not able to get a support of 18k, in that case we might see a downward movement on Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin might go down till 20 till $15,000, I believe. Okay, now why 15,000? Because 15,000 is a very psychological number. Okay, this 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, these are all psychological numbers for Bitcoin, and of course for traders also. So if it goes down from here, then I think most of the stop losses will trigger, and we can quickly see a downward movement till 20, till 15k. Okay, so these are the three scenarios that can happen. Okay, so if we break from here, then of course let's say so this will happen more or less. So this is the third condition. First condition, of course, we can still touch 25, then market can break 25, the resistance can act as support, and still the Bitcoin will continue to move in the upward direction. Second case, we might get a rejection from 25, and then again we will touch 18k. Third case, if we break 18k, then the next support level is going to be around $15,000. Okay. Now, with respect to that, let's talk about Dogecoin. Okay, so as you might have already know that Elon Musk has acquired Twitter, right? The deal is done. So now Elon Musk is basically the owner of Twitter right now. And because of that, see, most of you already know that Elon actually support Dogecoin. He has already supported Dogecoin many times in the past via his Twitter, via his tweets. And yeah, so what people are thinking is basically there is a possibility that Twitter might start accepting Dogecoin as a payment method. Okay, or we can basically send and receive Dogecoin within Twitter. Okay, so because of that possibility, people have become bullish about Dogecoin, and you can clearly see within few days. So it's been like what, 1 2 3 4, and this today Sunday, exactly the fifth day. Okay, so within 5 days you can clearly see the market has moved, or the Dogecoin has moved particularly by what, by 150%, 150, almost 150%. Okay, which is a huge deal. Yeah, of course it's a huge deal. In the bear market, it's a huge deal for any coin to make a move of 150%. Okay, now second thing that we need to understand is basically what can happen in the next 4 or 5 months. Of course, this is a small analysis, as I said. Okay, now let me put a 20-week moving average right now. So let's click on moving average. Let's change setting to 20. So we need a 20 length, and then we have to move to the weekly chart. Okay, so now this becomes a 20-week moving average. And now one more thing, we have to make it a little bit thicker so we can actually see it. Okay, great. I think this looks nice, right? Okay, so as you can clearly see, okay, it's a small analysis for the next few months. Okay, see, whenever Bitcoin is above the 20-week moving average, we have always seen a rally. Okay, so most of the market has become bullish, at least for the short term. if Bitcoin is above the 20-week moving average, you can clearly see here. Then you can clearly see here also, right? Now, and if Bitcoin is below the 20-week moving average, then we become bearish for at least for good 2 or 3 months, you can say. You see this area, and you can see the whole this area, and then we got a rejection of the 20-week moving average right here, and then the market continued to go in a downward direction. But right now, if you can see right around here, we are getting very close to the 20-week moving average. Right now, this is a very interesting part. Yeah. So we are getting close to the 20-week moving average. I believe if Bitcoin can break this 20-week moving average, then for the next few months, we can expect a bull rally. Now, I'm not saying that Bitcoin will break its previous all-time high. That's not what I meant. But what I'm saying is we might see a small bullish rally till 30,000 or maybe 35,000, something like this. Okay, and this with this, it can happen, and it has a very high chance or high probability that this thing might happen, right? But yeah, for that, what we need is that we need a break of a 20-week moving average. Bitcoin must go above the 20-week moving average, and then we can see a rally. Okay, so this is for the little bit of longer period, you can say, for the crypto winter, you can say, for the next 3 month or 4 month market. Okay, but if we get a rejection, then of course uh, the market can of course move down. And I believe if we our Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is not able to hold the 18,000 mark, then Bitcoin can easily go down to 15,000. As I said, 15,000 is a psychological number, so we must prepare for that part also. Okay, so yeah, so this is a small analysis about the Bitcoin market, about the crypto market. We have some positive news, we have some negative news about the market. The overall market is bearish. I believe it will be continue to be bearish for at least for the next year. But within that time interval, it's not that the market will always move down. It will move in waves. So for the next 2 3 months, if we are able to break the 20-week moving average, then of course the market will move in the upper direction at least for a few months. And if we are not able to break the 20-week moving average, then there is a high chance market might go down. Okay, and of course for Dogecoin can continue to move up. And you can clearly see in Dogecoin also, you can clearly see how the 20-week moving average is acting as a resistance even for Dogecoin. Okay, even for Dogecoin, you can clearly see. Okay, and here now we have already broke the 20-week moving average, and there is a bullish momentum right now. Okay, but yeah, everything revolves around Bitcoin, so make sure you understand what Bitcoin is going to do. Dogecoin is still, I will say, still questionable right now because there is no positive news from the Elon Musk itself. He has not said that they will start accepting Dogecoin ever. So yeah, but yeah, I believe if they says or if there is a news regarding this, then of course that's a very bullish thing. That will be a very very bullish thing for Dogecoin. To be honest, it can easily go to $1 or $2 if we get a confirmation from Twitter that okay they will start accepting Dogecoin for payments or whatnot. Okay, then that will be a very very bullish thing for Dogecoin. Okay, yeah, so I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed it, you found it useful and informative. Make sure you follow Strive on Twitter, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can check out our website strive.social. And let's meet in the next video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye bye.